Alrighty, so we're going to be osculating a heart and lungs today. You're going to want to go ahead and shut all the rooms and windows. You'll want to make sure that your ears are pointing towards your nose whenever you put them in. Also, make sure that they're not panning or purring, which she's not. But so you'll start with the 9 quadrants of the lungs. Listen to 2 to 3 respiration cycles, and then you can calculate your respiratory rate. Our respiratory rate is about 15 per minute. And so you'll go ahead and, you can go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and check the femoral pulse and listen to the heart and see if there is any deficits or arrhythmias. There are none. Also, there's no crackling or rattling, and then so on the lungs, and then so you'll go ahead and check for the heart, listen to it, find out the beats per minute, and see if there's any rattling or any noises that you should be worried about. And her heart rate is about 120 per minute. And so you'll want to go ahead and make sure that there's no rattling and wheezing or anything in the heart, which there wasn't. And after you get the beats per minute, you will the rhythm is fine, and the heart sounded good. No struggling breathing, and or heart murmurs, and that is it.